do the test ride in full gear. I'm about to start my Amtrak and bike month-long adventure. So I loaded everything up just as I would start my trip. And right now I'm heading to Theodore Roosevelt area. I wanted to share with you guys what I'm getting. I loaded up everything. I have my backpack with a laptop. I have my handlebar bag. I have my saddle bag. My frame bag. Everything the way how I travel. I'm gonna go to Theodore Roosevelt area. They have a picnic table here. I can lay out my stuff and share with you guys what I'm carrying when I'm on the bike tour. Especially on the month-long tour. So that you would have an inspiration or idea what to carry. So this is a great place to lay out my stuff and share with you guys. So this is my Bikepacking travel bike. I got this one back in 2019 when I started bike touring. So I've been traveling for probably like 17,000 miles, 18,000 miles. I have to look up exactly. And it's holding up nicely. I have the Apidura bags. All these are the same brand, Apidura. They are located in England. And yeah, I like this bike. It's a great bike. And it doesn't cost that much either. So yeah, a good bike. This is my headlight. A GoPro with media case, and my Pixel phone. This is my speedometer, and I have the Apidura handlebar bag. This is my food bag, and this is my saddle bag. So let's find out what's inside. Basically I have my clothes here, my cooking wear and my tent. One has my socks and underwear and the other one has my clothes. So the reason why I separated it into two is because that way it fits better. I have socks and underwear for a week, 7 pairs. So here I have my shirts. I have 3 pairs of shirts, and then I have my shorts, another pair of shorts with a zipper. I can turn them into long pants. And then I have 1 pair of long pants. So let's see what else we have here. So my toiletries. I have my travel towel. And yeah, I have everything I need. Toothpaste, toothbrush. I have my shaver. Pair of clippers. I have the shampoo, and this one is aftershave. It's actually a mouthwash, but I use for aftershave. And this one is actually just when I wash myself. And everything fits into this toiletry bag. And as you see, it doesn't take much space. So what else I have here? I have my Nemo tent. It's a 2-person tent. It's more like a 1.5 actually. But I always had the Nemo tent since I started hiking, I think 2017. This is the newer version. And yeah, it's really good. Yeah, it doesn't take much space. And the last thing that fits in here is my stove. So let me show you. This one I can fit in. This is my foldable cup. I put this one in the bottom, and then I have the fuel. It goes into here, and then I have my rocket bucket stove. So this one works great. See, that's how it works. Not gonna turn it on, but yeah, it works great. What else is in my bag? This is actually really good. It's tiny pump. You see how little it is, but it's powerful. So I used to pump my air mattress. I could just blow myself. That's what I did for years, but I got this mini pump and it works great. And of course I have my lighter. And I keep everything here in this plastic bag. And all this goes back into this pouch. And everything has to fit into this saddle bag. Oh, and I do have a little plastic bag. I use that for underwear and dirty socks, so that it wouldn't be touching the clean clothes. So first I put the stove in here, then goes the tent, then I'm gonna put the toiletries. By the way, this bag also contains my travel towel. And then goes the one bag of clothes, which I shovel as far as I can. And then goes the second one. And then I'm just gonna press it down. It works great. It's like a compressor bag. Lighten it up. And it's ready to go back to the bike. And then I tighten it up and it's secure. That's how it is. Now I'm gonna share what's in my handlebar bag. So basically it's a compressor bag, and yeah, I have my sleeping bag and sleeping pad rolled together, and yeah, I use this little mini pump to pump up my air mattress. It's a thermorest, so comfortable to sleep. I also have my travel pillow. Let me show you. It's a See the Summit pillow. See how big it is. I just blow it up and I use it in the train and when I'm sleeping. So this one is Sea and Summit. And it fits into this bag. And I use this one a lot actually when I'm traveling and when I'm sleeping in tent. And I keep this one here with the mattress. So I just push it down and it rolls together just like a compressor bag. And it is a compressor bag. So that's my handlebar bag. And here I have food, so all my food stuff is in the boot bag. I'm usually carrying 2 or 3 bags of dry food, and beef stroganoff is my favorite. And I have some taparamon, I have some energy bars, and just the stuff that I'm getting when I'm traveling. It's pretty easy to attach. I can't do it with one hand, but that's how it looks like. And yeah, I have my light GoPro 10 with a media case. I have my Peak Design phone holder. It's very easy to attach. It has a magnetic attachment and then it locks in. See, it won't go anywhere. And I just have to press the button underneath and it unlocks. And then I have a little bell. And then I have my speedometer. And here, since I'm a birder, I have to have my binoculars with me. Normally binoculars would take a lot of space, but this one doesn't. It has special bag weight, perfect for binoculars. So this one is where I keep my sunglasses and rag to clean my glasses. And this is another pouch where I keep my medical kit. So just in case, you never know. If I crash, it's better to have your first aid. So this is my medical kit. And yeah, I keep it in this little pouch. And then I have another rag to wipe my face if I need. It's hot here in Florida, that's why I'm going to travel. It's morning right now, 8 o'clock, but it's gonna get really hot in daytime. Let's see what else we have. I have my 2 water bottles. Usually I keep water in this one, and this one is mixed with the electrolytes. Oh, and then I have another bag, little bag here. That's for the extra dupes and tools to fix my tire. What else I have here? This one is of course chain lube. Then I have the pump to pump my tire. Then I have my chain to lock up my bike. See, this is really good actually, very strong. Then I have my sunscreen, you need it. And what else? Oh, I have my little camera. When I'm traveling, I have this one, record the birds. It's Sony zoom camera. And I can carry it on my waist. And that's all. I can put a lot more stuff here if I need to. And another side has a zipper too, and I have my power bank here, so to charge my electronics when I'm traveling. And this one is 30,000 milliampere. It's easy to charge my phone when I'm traveling. I just hook it up like that, and that's how I do it. Or let's say if I need to charge my camera, it reaches to the camera too. And then I have my backpack with my laptop. Since my business is online and when I'm traveling I need to be able to edit videos and take care of my business. So I have to have my laptop with me. So I'm carrying the backpack, and it actually doesn't weigh much at all. Let me show you how I set it up. This is actually a day bag, it's not a real backpack. A real backpack would be too heavy to carry around. This is a day bag. My laptop is inside a Sea and Summit dry bag. And then I have my bag where I have my laptop. See? The cords and stuff are in here. I have my travel blanket. So this blanket is good. When I'm traveling on the train, I use this one. So, see, it's pretty big. See how big it is. Travel blanket is actually important when you're traveling by train. It gets cold at night and you want to be comfortable. Especially when you're traveling for a month. Yep, and then I have a couple more things in here. One is the windbreaker and the other one is the rain jacket. This one goes first, then goes this one, and then goes this one. See? And that's all. That's how I travel. I'm carrying pretty much the same stuff if I go for an overnight ride or travel for a month. Only difference is maybe I have a couple of more shirts and more socks and underwear. And that's all. The app I'm using mostly is the Ride with GPS. And for navigation also I use the Google Maps. It's good for me. Unless you're traveling some really remote areas, Google Maps works well. And now I'm ready to go head back. Ready for my adventure. Boarding the train and heading to Chicago. See you on the way there.